Hi, my name is Natalia. I'm a jewelry designer. I also have a few years of teaching experience. I was teaching in person, group classes, and individual private classes, but now I'm switching to teaching online only. I have lots of experience. I know exactly what students are expecting from classes, what they want to learn, how they want to learn, how quick they want to learn, and it's usually quick. There are 3 reasons why people want to learn: hobby, presents for friends and family, or they would like to start selling jewelry and making some extra cash. I can help with all of that because I know how. I have a website. I put it into the description under this video, and there is a page with class descriptions there. I have online sessions from 1 to 3 hours. Would you like to learn slowly and learn everything you possibly could and practice, or would you like to start quickly and learn something just in one day, in one session? Either way, I can help. After one session, you will be able to make finished jewelry that's ready to go. So check my class descriptions and send me a message, and we will go from there. See you then!